Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Forza Horizon 6. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Forza Horizon 6 game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you have last left off. Now, if you wish to change your control settings, just pause your game by pressing the start button, and now you can go into settings. From the settings page, navigate downstairs into controls, and here you have the change input mapping option. Press this button, and now you can change your controls for both your keyboard and your controller or joystick. In order to change any button, go ahead and highlight any control that you wish to change. Then press the select button and then choose any custom profile that you wish to change. Now you will be prompted to press your desired new button. Just press it before the timer runs out and your button will be chosen for that particular action right away. You can also press the unbind button if you wish to remove any button that has already been assigned. You can also navigate into the keyboard option where you can once again choose your desired keys. Just follow the same steps. Choose any key that you wish to change and then choose your desired profile. Then you can once again press your desired button in order to remap your keys. Once you are done, you can go back and choose the save and continue option. There is also the advanced control section from which you can invert your controls, change your vibration settings, and a whole lot more. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Forza Horizon 6 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.